Welcome to the RTR Lab, where performance, passion, and personalization come together for the ultimate enthusiast experience. I'm Vaughn Gittin Jr., and I'm pumped to tell you about our Built by RTR program. Built by RTR is all about personalization. We take your goals and turn them into reality, delivering a vehicle that's not only a reflection of RTR's DNA, but a reflection of you. If you've ever wanted to have that signature RTR look, track-proven performance validated through championship-winning motorsports, an experience that puts you at the center of it all, then Built by RTR is exactly what you've been waiting for.
That's right, Vaughn. From the moment you reach out to us, you'll work directly with our team to understand your goals, recommend the perfect upgrades, and bring your vision to life in the same facility where we develop our competition Mustangs and engineer RTR production vehicles and components. We work with a select group of trusted brands and strategic partners to ensure every component meets our high standards. Whether it's a Ford Performance by Whipple supercharger, an RTR signature upgrade like our upper grills with integrated LEDs, wheels, exhaust, or even a full vehicle build, we deliver a hassle-free experience tailored to you.
We don't just install parts. We pour our passion into every build, ensuring your vehicle delivers the experience you want and deserve. Whether it's head-turning style, exhilarating performance, an aggressive exhaust note, or a perfectly dialed-in ride, we're here to make it happen. Built by RTR is more than just upgrading your late model Ford. It's about bringing our relentless enthusiasm for performance and personalization into every detail of your build. Following your vehicle's transformation, from the moment you drive away from the RTR Lab, you will quickly realize you've invested in much more than just some upgrades for your ride. You've invested in your life experience, and the friends, notoriety, and fun that comes along with that is absolutely priceless. We cannot wait for you to feel the same passion that drives us every time you hit the road, track, or the trails. Our Built by RTR technicians are here and ready to rock when you are.
Whether you're ready to supercharge your Mustang, give your Bronco that aggressive look, or take your Mach-E to the next level, we've got you covered. If you're ready to get started, fill out the form below to start your build, book your install, or get connected with a Built by RTR specialist.